If you want to lower the key of audio in Audacity, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to change pitch in Audacity so you can lower a song, a voice recording, or any audio clip quickly and easily. This is perfect if you want to make a track sound deeper, match a different vocal range, or simply experiment with audio pitch without affecting the overall workflow. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Audacity tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open Audacity and load the audio track you want to adjust. Before you do anything else, make sure you select the track by clicking on the track header. This is the left side of the track where the track name and controls are located. Selecting the track tells Audacity exactly which audio you want to edit. Once your track is selected, go up to the Effect menu at the top of the screen. This is where Audacity keeps its audio processing tools, and it's the section you'll use to modify pitch, volume, speed, and more. After opening the Effect menu, hover over Pitch and Tempo. A submenu will appear, and from there, choose Change Pitch. This is the specific tool that lets you lower or raise the key of your audio without changing the tempo. When the Change Pitch window appears, look for the Semitones, also called half steps, box. This is the setting that controls how much you want to shift the pitch. If you want to lower the key, you need to type a minus sign followed by the number of steps you want to drop. For example, if you enter -2, that lowers the audio by 1 whole tone. If you want a smaller change, you can use -1. If you want a deeper shift, you can go lower, but just keep in mind that extreme changes may affect the quality of the sound. After that, make sure to check the box that says Use High-Quality Stretching, Slow. This option helps Audacity process the pitch change more cleanly and usually gives you a better result, especially if you're working with music or important recordings. It may take a little longer to apply, but the improved sound quality is worth it. Now that everything is set, click Apply. Audacity will process the audio and lower the key based on the number of semitones you entered. Once it finishes, listen back to your track and make sure the pitch sounds right. If it's too high or too low, you can always undo the change and try a different value until you get the result you want. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can lower the key in Audacity and transform the sound of your audio without needing any advanced editing skills. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Audacity tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.